morning, guys. Today is August 27 and we are going to California. I'm vlogging right now because we are going camping again. We're getting ready. This is a suitcase that I'm gonna be bringing. Me and William's clothes are here, and then this one also. What else before we head out? So currently on Zoom meeting with my LU fam right now. Hi Renz, shout out Queen Anna, G-Bite, Joyous Eve na walang video right now, Kirby, shout out, RBK and R, and of course Jolo. Okay, so I just want to vlog. If you haven't watched my vlog about my first time camping here in the US, I'm gonna link it here. And yeah, we'll travel later, like after lunch. We will need to get our car first. We'll be renting a car again, and then we're gonna go to William's doctor's appointment, and then travel to California. So it's gonna be a long day. So we are bringing our pillows too. I watched this pillowcase. This smells so good. So I'm just gonna change it.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so checking in. I forgot to vlog earlier because I became busy. But now we are here again at the car rental because we are renting another car going to California because it's safer and then less mileage on our car, and it's cheaper as well. That's why we keep doing this. And yeah, our stuff are here, and I'll see you guys when we get our car. So guys, this is our car right now. So this is the car that we got. We're supposed to get like compact car, but
they don't even have a sedan. No sedan, no compact.
So we get this two-door sports car. What's the
Challenger?
Dodge Challenger
V8 Honeybee. It's a beast. 400 horsepower. Look at that shit.
I'll give you 6 montage of the car right now. Alright guys, so we are here.
My mask, baby?
Oh yeah. We are here at William's doctor's and just waiting for William here in the car because I cannot go inside. So guys, the doctor is not yet in the office. That's why we decided to just eat first and then we'll go back at 1. We're having our lunch at In-N-Out. Lunchtime, In-N-Out burger, the all-time favorite. Done with the lunch, guys. We're going back to the doctor's again. Hopefully we can get in early. Gonna be a long day because tonight we'll travel also going to the camp place at midnight at 12 a.m. because
we wanna be there in the morning.
Yeah, and the place is like from LA, it's almost 5 hours drive. So yeah, good luck. I woke up early this morning. You the text message woke me up.
I woke up early this morning. I'm gonna sleep in the car. I'm gonna try to.
When
we're going
later?
Up
Ube from Red Ribbon. Yummy. So I'm just waiting here in the car, chilling. It's good that the weather is not that hot right now, and there's a little bit of breeze. I don't have anything much to say. Alright guys, so we are heading now. The time is 1:35. Don't know what time we're gonna get there. So I guess you're the driver. I'm gonna sleep.
Yeah, I guess so. I told you you want to drive when I pulled up and you said
no.
put on your seatbelt.
Are we going to put on gas?
Just put it in anywhere here.
And then if you want me to drive, I can drive. So you can rest. So guess who's driving right now? Let's go. So we are already here at Cajon Pass, about 1.5 hours more to LA. We are just waiting for William's mom because we are going to get some of our camping stuff from her. And yeah, what time is it? 4:30. So we left the gas station earlier at 2:35. And yeah. Alright guys, so we're done. We got everything. Our mattress. What's that? Fishing poles,
sleeping
bags, and we got some chips as well from her mama, and she's leaving. Bye. So yeah, we'll go now to LA, meet up with our friends, and then later on we'll travel again. He's driving now to the city.
Don't forget our chargers when we go.
Oh, you pull it out. So guys, we're now here at Justin's house, where our meeting place is. It's already 6:40 in the afternoon, or in the evening. We made it. So let's go. Just leave our stuff for now, and then we'll just move everything later on. You got the key?
Yeah.
One eternity later.
Sing.
Gonna drive, but we can sit down now.
Enjoy your workout, man.
Talk now.
We can close the door.
We're gonna eat dinner.
At Luis's.
So we're eating dinner here at Luis's Burgers. And our stuff is all fixed, and this one, and there's a lot more inside. So we are eating here outside. It's like 9:30. Let's see where we're gonna eat. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna sit here.
You want to bite? What is the from you? Okay.
It's like, it's neat with lots of marinade. I mean flavoring.
12:25, and our other friends are here.
Look back. He's right there too, right?
Good morning, guys. And we're in the middle of nowhere, guys.
The hot water's perfect. It needs to be hot. Like